In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slider in Webflow. By the end, you'll confidently open your project, locate your slider on the page, give it a clean class name for styling, add new slides, and jump straight to slide 4 to confirm everything works. First, head to the Sites area in your Webflow account. This is where all your projects live. Find the project you want to edit and click through to its dashboard. From there, choose Open in Webflow to launch the designer. Give it a moment to load. You'll land on the canvas with your page and all its elements ready to edit. Once you're in the designer, click on the area of the page that contains your slider. If you're not immediately on the right element, click again on the canvas or use the navigator to move up the hierarchy until you see the element label read Slider. Selecting the actual slider wrapper is important, because that's where you'll manage structure and slides. If you're ever unsure what's selected, glance at the element breadcrumb at the top. Keep clicking until it says Slider. With the slider selected, look to the selector field at the top right of the designer and add a class. Type a clear, descriptive name. Using a dedicated class keeps your styling organized and lets you reuse consistent settings across pages. It also makes future tweaks, like adjusting arrows, dots, or spacing, much faster. Now let's add slides. With the slider still selected, open its settings in the right sidebar and choose Add Slide. You'll see a new slide appear in the slider track. Click Add Slide again to create one more. This is a quick way to build out your carousel structure before you drop in content. As a tip, keep your slide layouts consistent so transitions feel smooth. You can design one slide and then duplicate it to maintain spacing and typography. To verify everything, use the slider's navigation to move through the slides. Click your way to slide 4 to make sure it's present and selectable. If you don't see it right away, use the slide thumbnails or the next previous arrows until the label confirms you're on slide 4. That's a great moment to check basic behavior: arrows, dots, and autoplay if you're using it. That's it. You opened your project, selected the slider, assigned a class for clean styling, added 2 new slides, and navigated to slide 4 to confirm the setup. Save your changes, and you're ready to start dropping in content and polishing the design.